Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner. In front of me, you can see we have all the parts of the Dyson V11. So let's get started with the installation. First, we should attach the dustbin to the main unit. We need to adjust the dustbin to the right position, then push it into place until it clicks. On the top of the main unit, we have the slot for the post filter. Twist the post filter clockwise into place. Okay, the main unit is assembled. Next, let's move on to the main brush. We need to install the roller brush. For this, you will need a coil. Insert the coil into the slot. Twist to unlock and open the compartment. Place the brush roll inside. Then use the coil to twist. And lock it back into place. Okay, the main brush head is assembled. Finally, take the extension tube and connect it to both the main brush head and the main unit. Just click them together. And there you have it. The Dyson V11 vacuum cleaner is full assembled. Okay, did you get it? I hope this helps you set up your Dyson V11 with easy. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.